Okay, someone let me go out yarn shopping without supervision. This is not my fault. Took a little trip to Goodwill and Hobby Lobby, and I was impulsive and had fun. So let me show you what I got. Okay, first I went to Goodwill. I'm sorry I didn't take you guys with me, but I spent $1.99 on this bag. And I had to because I am out of white. So I saw this and I immediately was like, I'm just going to snag that. And I love this pink. Look at this. It is gorgeous. I love it. I have no idea what brand this is. I always feel like I find the old ones there. Love Knit. It's definitely got a musty smell. I got to leave the stuff out. What is your guys' best tip for like getting these to smell fresher? I could buy like those little silica packets or whatever. I'm like, I probably shouldn't spray it with Febreze. I guess I could always do that. I'm definitely going to let them sit out a little bit. Okay, next I bought this bag and this one was $3.99. And I bought this for the blues. I honestly don't have a lot of bright blues. I know I'm like sitting in front of my things. You can see my blues right there. I mean, yeah, it looks like I have blue. I'm like every crocheter knows this. It's like I have blue, but I don't have the right blue. Okay. So I got this one. I really like this color. Really like that. And these two are the same, but this one's looking a little gross. So actually, I'm like, probably gonna toss that. But you know, what was it? $3.99. I really got it for the other blue. Like, let's be honest. Yeah, that one's gross. I'm just gonna toss that back there. Yeah, that one looks fine. Okay. And Lion Brand. So, like that has to be old. This has to be so old. I wonder if there's like a date on it. Does it have a date? Light blue 04. Does yarn have dates? I'm like, it doesn't expire. Is this a stupid question? You would think they'd have like a date for like when they were made or something. Like a book is copyrighted or something like that. That baby's wearing a bonnet. This has to be so old. That's interesting. I don't think it has a date. Okay, moving on. Either way, I paid, what did I say, $3.99 for that one. And let's see, this one I also paid $3.99 for, but I didn't have this shade of dark blue. And this is the same as the other one. And so I really did. I love this color. Loving this blue. This is gonna be great for little whales and the octopus. That's gonna be great. And the dark blue. But this, like I said, these kind of smell a little musty. Not like bad, just like they've been sitting in a bag for a while. Okay, so all in all, at Goodwill, I spent $12.06. And I only had to toss out one skein. So I got one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven skeins for $12. They got to kind of sit out. It is what it is. Okay, now this is where I got really impulsive at Hobby Lobby. Okay. I don't have hot pink. So you can see this shelf right here. It's like my reds and oranges and whatever. And like right like in the way on the bottom shelf over here, you can't see it. It's okay. That's where all my pinks are. And I don't have a bright pink. And so I saw this and I was like, that's gorgeous. I'm gonna grab it. It's like bubble gum. This is like a perfect bubblegum pink. Oh, I'm gonna make some hearts and some ice cream cones out of this. I have been making some really cute ice cream cones. And if you guys have not checked out my ice cream cone pattern, it's super cute. I have adjusted this pattern though, and so I'm wondering like, should I just make another video? Or I might go into the description and let you guys know exactly what I've done to adjust it. Either way, I really loved this. Okay. And then I saw this. And I just couldn't decide. Okay, this is like a salmon. Oh, wait, let me tell you what this one was called, right? I forgot to tell you. I heart this yarn, and this one is called Hot Rose. Oh, that's totally a hot rose. I love this. I called it bubblegum, but this is like the hot rose works too. I'm gonna turn this into some ice cream cones and stuff. And this one I would call like a salmon color. This one is called Tropical Pink. And I just couldn't decide because I was like, they're so pretty. So I was a little impulsive. And I brought my kids with me and they're no help at all. They're like, yeah, get it. Yeah, get it. And then I saw this one and it's like such a soft orange. I thought this would be good for like the little ice cream cones too, honestly. And like maybe a pumpkin. Cute. I'm loving this one. This one is called Mango. I think I said that already. I'm loving this. Okay, and then so look at these together. Look at that. And these are close, but they're not the same. Like, oh, I'm loving that. Okay, and then it's like Disneyland. And then I got yellow. because I'm almost out of yellow. You can't even see it up there, I don't think. But I have to make more bees because, like I've been saying, the bees are so popular. Okay, I don't think I've ever come home with bees. If you haven't seen them yet, let me show you. I have one right here. Oh no, don't fall, yarn. Don't fall. Ah. Okay, I saved it. These are one of my bees, and they're so cute. And these just fly off the shelves along with my little chickens. Can't even describe to you. So, anyways, I thought that these just went so well together. Okay, and that's not all, though. That's not all. Look at this one. I've never had one like this before. And honestly, the camera's just not even doing this thing justice. It's just uh more purples than blue. It's coming up blue. It's like more purple. This one is called Winter Flowers. Oh, yeah. You could call it winter flowers, winter berries. I love it. Winterberry would also be a good name for this. But look at that. I was thinking a loaf cat, maybe with like a little witch hat. Oh, these are just, look at that though. Look at those. Oh, they're so good. They're so colorful. I love it. And I did go on sale week. So that is good. And so I spent 17.45 on 5 skeins of yarn. So 12 something and 17. But these are all brand new. Smell like yarn. A good yarn, not musty at all. So I am really excited. Some of that was like a really impulsive day yesterday at the store. I'm glad I got to do it though. I love shopping for yarn and it's for my job. So this is fun. I love it. Love being here. Thank you, Hobby Lobby. Thank you, Goodwill. Thank you. I love this yarn. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed going through this with me because, like I said, I had fun buying it and I just love all those colors that go together so well. Oh, I didn't even add this one to the other ones. I'll bet you it goes, oh my gosh, let's put all these together. I have to real quick before I say goodbye. Ooh. Yeah, those are definitely pretty. I want to like put them all together somehow. They're so pretty. What would you make with all these? What would you make with all these? What would you do? So pretty. Definitely have to add like a black or a white. But if you were to put these all together, oh, I can't. They're so pretty. And these aren't even my favorite color. My favorite color is blue. I'm like freaking out over these. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.